we're right outside of Black Mountain, and this is the kind of stuff we are finding. This storm took at everything, the roads, the power, and all we can say is we've got a team here from Red Truck Men, and with the great sponsorship of all the churches that are pouring into this area. But guys, we need everything. We need baby wipes and toilet paper and water and just much more. So get in touch with the local folks that you can give to. And again, this area's been hard hit. We're so thankful for all the blessings and the prayers. Please pray for these folks. And we just appreciate all the support we can get. Thank you.